guys!
And now here we are Pantalosari.
We're gonna do something different.
If you're curious,
Keep watching.
let's go!
Let's join us.
Pantai Losari, the pride of Makassar. Here, you can enjoy a breathtaking sunset, take an afternoon stroll while snacking on sweet and tasty pisang epic, or simply relax and feel the sea breeze. The atmosphere is vibrant, rich in culture, and perfect for healing or hanging out with friends and family. Don't miss a chance to visit Pantai Losari, where the sea, the sky, and stories come together.
Guys, let's try pisang. What? Pisang what?
Pisang epe.
Pisang epe.
As you can see, it's pink.
Pinky, like my favorite color.
Is so good.
As you can see in this platform, there's so many options. We can see original. There's a chocolate with durian, and there's a plum sugar, and then cheese, chocolate cheese. And then let's try cheese.
I love it here.
You like cheese?
The brown sugar is not too sweet, but it's perfect for me.
Oh, the brown sugar with cheese.
Yeah. It's a combination.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
It's good combined.
So guys, if you have budget only 50,000,
You can taste many different food and you can explore this in Pantai Losari. Especially we can have pisang ape and you can go home with very good smile and good mood. Full. Yeah, so full. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.
bye bye.